Hello guys, this is the VirtualBox interface. You can see here I have added Ubuntu operating system, but while installing it, here we can see the OK button is not accessible by me. You can see here it's not operating. So to overcome this problem, we have to change some settings into our system setting. So go into system settings. After that, Windows, go into update and security. Go into recovery. Into recovery, we have to restart our computer, laptop. So I am restarting. You can see something like this after restarting. So go into troubleshoot. After troubleshoot, go into UEFI firmware setting. Once again we have to restart our. Now my laptop get restarted. So after second restart, we can see something like this. Go into BIOS setup. To enter BIOS setup, we want to press F10. This is a BIOS setup interface. Go into system configuration. After going into system configuration, we can see here virtualization technology is disabled here. You can see here virtual technology disabled. We want to enable it to access this access OK button. So press enter, enable it. Now it's get enabled. To save and exit, press F10. Yes. Once again your system get restarted. Now my laptop has been restarted. So now you can see here the OK button is can be accessed by user. You can see here I'm pressing it. Okay, so that was the thing we want to configure it. As you can see here OK button is accessible now. Thank you.